you want to get down? Can I get a high five? Good boy. Get down. Are you scared? Go. So I went to Costco today and I got him these 3 little toys. Hey, no, get down. Good boy. Give me a high five. Okay, you can pick one. Go. Green one? I knew. Go. Sit over here. Sit down right there. Sit on this chair.
A ver si ya tienes a alguien que te haga feliz.
Down. Elvis. Come here. Come on. Good. See your eye. See your eye. Like a little kid. Does it stink? Are you jealous? Are you jealous, boy? Come here. Come here. It's okay. Don't be jealous.